National Forest Service left these canoes here for anybody to use. Look at this! That's pretty cool. Well, this is the lake I was trying to find. Unfortunately, I'm on the wrong end of the lake, and it's a big lake. It's an old trolley. All the wood's rotted away, but you can still see the metal frame. Normally the water level's a little bit lower and you can walk out to that thing. National Forest Service left these canoes here for anybody to use. As long as you take care of them, put them back where you found them, everyone can enjoy them. It's a real great thing. This is still pretty cool.